Hi, one of our subscribers, İclal Açıköz, asked me, can you tell me something about tool libraries? In this video, I will tell you about creating tool libraries. There are several ways. I will tell you all. First, the most common way, switch to CAM. We click create tool and the 20R3 we can define tool magazine numbers if you want. Then from library section we write the same and export tool to library. You can use end mill non-indexable or end mill indexable from here. You can choose a holder system that you defined before, and it is created on tool library. We close this part, open a new part, switch to CAM. We look that there is no any tool. We just click create tool and retrieve from library milling D20, and we can see that we can see our tool and other tools that I defined before. We double click and we can see our tool. It is the most common way, and other way is a little bit complicated. We open our CAM templates from C, from files, Siemens, NX11, Mac, resource, template parts, metric. We choose mill contour, hole milling or mill planner from here. But be careful that C isn't read only. You must it shouldn't be read only. Okay, now we can see I defined them before. Let's delete them. We define, for example, the R3, 20R3. Okay, we change its queue, its order, and we define a ball mill. And we change its order. I click save. I don't get any errors, but probably you will have no write access to C. As I told before, it must be read only. I close, shut down NX11 and open it again. Open a part, switch to CAM, choose mill contour and create tool. I can see my tools. I click OK, machine tool view, and I create my other tool. It is the shortest way to create tool library. It was the third third style for creating tool libraries. If you have, for example, three machines, for example, one DMG and two machines, one DMG and one Mezek, you can create both tool libraries for these different machines. How we can do this? Create tool, for example. That's write another thing. And we can add tool numbers because tools are positioned in may be positioned in different parts of magazine. And we number it as 2. We say we delete this. But we must delete them too because it will be a template. There are just tools, file, save as, DMG/1. Okay, I closed my parts, open a part, switch to cam. And file, as you can see there is no tools here. We will call our tool library part. You will switch import cam objects. You will activate it. Okay. And DMG1. Okay. And you can see your tools. It is the shortest way for creating tool libraries, and with this way you can define different tool numbers for same diameter tools. Okay, actually now I will tell you creating operation templates. It's not tool library templates, but you can use it in many shop floors or in many factories. The cam operators generally do the same thing. For example, I first make a cavity and then make a Z double profile. Okay, we will define it as a template, so we delete the model, we save it as templates 2, and we close everything. We open a different parts. And we call our templates. Parts, import cam objects, and template 2. Okay. Now we can see our tools and our operations in the same time. So we just define the workpiece and define the MCS. We define the workpiece and we just click generate. The thing that we just change is if we define something in ZTL profile or contour area, we just change them. It's a very useful way of creating template because I worked as CAM operator and we were always making generally the same thing in same parts, so you don't have to create tools or operations again and again. So you just create a template and always you can call it. It's all for creating tool libraries. If you have a question or advices, please write on comments. Thank you for watching.